तो आज जी स्वागत है एक और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो में। आज हम बात करेंगे नोड जेएस पे, हाउ टू इंस्टॉल। ओके, बेस्ट practices to install node.js and you can use your node.js as a backend. So this video is totally about that. Okay, so before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, here is my channel name, bucket flow. Okay, you can follow me on LinkedIn and GitHub also. All the codes will be available here. Okay, so you can check out. So let's start today's video. Okay, here is my VS code and I'm using currently using a hyper terminal. You can use any terminal as you wish. You have a terminal in your VS code also. So let me show you. Okay, you will have here git bash, a PowerShell, all other terminals you can use. So but I did this splitting part. Okay, so you can see side by side. Okay, as of now nothing is there in my folder structure. Okay, so let's start. First, before start, we will check we have node or not. Okay, so for that we have command node version. Okay, we have 20.18.0. Okay, this is the version. If you're watching late, might be version will be different. Okay, so no worry, at least you have a version node, that's fine. Okay, if you don't have, what you can do, go to Google, search node, download. Okay, just download .exe file. Okay, and okay, node.js download. Okay, you will get here some. You can use this term command and all, you will get. Okay, you can use the PowerShell also. Okay, now here it is. Before it was different because it was giving .exe file. Okay, copy it here. Let's see what is there here. Okay, so you can use. Okay, follow the documentation. If you don't know, let me know comment section. I will make a video how to install node.js in your window. Okay, so let's begin. Here is our terminal, VS code, and here is our node version is there. So to initialize the empty project for node.js, the command is npm and init. Okay, how, what is npm? So when you install node.js, with that you will get the npm, node package manager. Okay, and init in the sense initiate. Okay, and you can give -y also if you don't want to give the answers. Okay, if you want to select s for every questions, whatever the question in future they will ask. Okay, so if you want to give, you can give yes, it will take it, or else you can do it without that also. Okay, so we will have a package name. So package name by default it will take your folder name, whatever the folder you are given, it will take that package name. No worry, you can change as per you. Okay, but you can go with the default. Okay, now the version is our 1.0.0. Okay, you can give 2.0.0.001, like that you can give, but by default 1.0.0 is fine, go with that. Okay, description. So in description, what this project is all about, this is the backend using node.js. Okay, enter. Now the entry point in the sense how your project will start. Okay, by default it will give the index.js. Okay, but you can use any entry point like app.js. If you want app.js, give app.js. Okay, if you don't want to use app.js, give server.js. It, you need to create the server.js file, but by default it is giving index.js, which is good. Go with that. Test command, no need of, as of now, no need to do a test command, just skip. Okay, git repository, if you want to initiate your git repository you can, or else you can skip, you can do it later. Okay, so keyword, it will not affect the any project. Okay, current project it will not affect if you skip or also, but you can give node.js. Okay, or javascript. Okay, enter. Author, give your name, Rakesh Kumar. Okay, license, you need, might be you know, don't need, skip it. Is this everything is okay? Yeah, node.js version, description, main. Okay, keyword, node.js, javascript, author, license, everything okay, give yes. or enter, you will get the file package.json. Okay, this is the important file. Okay, we have a name, we have version, description, main, the entry file. I mentioned you know that entry file is the main file. Okay, that is the entry. Okay, we have test which we skipped by default, keyword, okay, and author and this. Okay, that's fine. Now there are two ways to do a backend. One is node. Okay, with the node you can do, if you go to node documentation you will get all these things and you can use. Okay, apart from that we have express. Okay, just express makes simple for us. Okay, to use node.js. Okay, so here is mentioned fast, unopinionated, minimalistic web framework for node.js. Basically it's for node.js only, but we use express which is much simpler, okay, as compared to node.js. Okay, so to use this node.js we need to install some dependencies. Okay, just a fancy word. Okay, dependency. So npm install and express. Okay, package.json. Okay, now let's create our entry point first. Okay, you can give here touch index.js. Okay, it will create, or else you can click here and give app.js. Okay, anything you can do. So as of now we will go with the VS Code only. Okay, so we have index.js or app.js, and now I need to install dependencies, correct? Okay, now I need to install express. npm install express, give enter. Okay, it will take some time, but it's depend upon your internet. Now we installed our express. We got two more new files. Okay, one is node module and one is package.json, and something is changed in our package.json as well. Okay, we go here, you see dependencies. Before it was author license, that's all. Now we have dependencies which is express 4.2.1.2. okay, so what this mean actually? Okay, so to explain this, let me create one node.tldr file. Okay, so basically it's a canvas where I can explain few things. Okay, now we have our, okay, so what this mean, we will deep dive. Okay, this one is, we have this for the major, this one is minor, and this one is patch. Okay, patch update, like bug fix, something little fix. Okay, so this is what this mean. Okay, then what this mean actually? So basically this means is it's allow only minor and patch update. Okay, this version you can change, not the major change. If you change, make a major change, might it will break your application as well, because you are from 4.2, now you are using 5.2. There it will get a few more functionality, new for changes will be there. So to prevent that one, that's why they give this icon, like only it allow minor and patch update, not the major one. Okay, I hope you got this one. If you have doubts, still comment in the video, reach out to me, we will discuss. Okay, now we have dependency. Now what's next step? So we have some boiler code also. Let's copy this one. Okay, copy and paste it. So what we are doing, oh okay, one more issue. Okay, we have express, require and express. Okay, but but no need to do now. Okay, just to import something, now we have something called import. Oh, import express from express. Okay, now we have two things. Okay, there are two methods to import modules. Okay, let me explain what this mean actually. So we have something here. Okay, let me remove this one. This one is old version. old way of, like old school you can say. But now we have the latest version, the new current. People used to do like this, okay? Import express from express. Simple, okay? No need to do require. Okay. But in our project, if we want to use this version, import express from express, we need to do some changes as well. Okay, just we need to tell them. Na? Go to package.json file. Okay, under the main file, type here. What do you need to type? You need to type. Okay, we have common.js and the module. Okay, common.js is used for the required one and the module is used for the import one. So we want to use the import one, so we will select the module. That's all. Now you can use this one, express import. Okay, now just let me save this one. Okay, now let's deep dive into this, what this mean actually. We have express. Okay, should I continue this one, should I explain in the next video? So this is how you can initiate your node.js project using express, and this is the boilerplate code. Okay, let me run this one. So now we have this many folders. Now how to run this one? Okay, so to run any node javascript file in your VS Code editor, okay, you need to use node. Okay, then index.js. Okay, just run this one. You will get your app listening on a port 3000. Okay, we gave here 3000. We will discuss what are all these things, okay, in next video. Okay, now let's go explaining. Okay, now our app is listening on 3000. You can give localhost 3000. Okay, hello world. Okay, if we make change here, hello Rakesh. Okay, now if you run, oh, we changes here, we make some change here, but it doesn't reflecting. Okay, now let's run it again. Now it's visible. Okay, so did you got the issue? So every time if we make changes, it's required a restart. So we will use one dependency, that is nodemon. We will discuss in a separate video as of now. Okay, as of now it's clear how to run your, how to initiate your node.js project. Okay, backend project, how to install express. Okay, how to start and how to make it listen. Okay, our app is listening on port 3030. Now it's running perfectly. Okay, instead of localhost, sometime you will see people will use 127.0.0.1 colon 3000. That is same, that is the local host address 127.0.0.1. In your system also it will be same. You can type this one also or this one also, it's same. Okay, we'll discuss separately why this is localhost and 127.0.0.1, why is same. Okay, it's a good topic by the way. We will see this code and explanation, few explore few more things in this code. Okay, in the next video upcoming. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. uh, Follow my on GitHub and on LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.